constituency, Chana Paga constituency. What are they coming there to thank us for? You've not given us appointment, employment zero. What are you coming to thank us for? Come and let's talk and know that this is what we need, this is what we are lacking. Our government cannot be in power and we will still be suffering. So what I would say is that they should come, they should get to the for instance, in my constituency, Chana Paga.
Muhammad Jinafa Senedi and for the past 1 month, 1 month, 2 weeks. My name is pipe no ebadia. I was some I won't say, oh Maya Yetimuno, and Penifona, Yetimufona, who would do rare as saying Mukojina, we are Matua Bama, and say, Omra Medu, so Oma Shao, so Emania, wo Peno, one sa intimincano, Aquaco Batse, and Penifona Kita, Bonnie. Any person mean coming out and on the boo of mine. Corredia, I suna and my pipe, my nomonocoresa the eye. Would see near Mampa and ye. Obroni said, water is life. And he said, sooner a bemaya and sooner a bemaya hoarding. Ye nipa de, and sooner it take 70% away. And Lutina Obi Arena Sukudru Hospital Pa. Ye was a doctor ye di kind of say, ye not checking you with your coswa. I did the kind of say, was say a din soon a di kind of. Yes, when you know my saying, and net my move on ye near or come up for say ye quam near my ye bed Jania Tuano, Amana tea a free a money and run at you miss ye. Now, Osha Papa Penny or say, and no correct and some na ye Ramahama, any Baumia Ombacatre ye no crass and no need sooner a dear Nikum, Omuntini your mind. If say, I dream bonnet a wood. Sa Agra was name Peswaswa. Ye were MPs best 6. Ye were MPs best 6. These are MPs, you know. Samute Aguna West and a Biwa Aguna East and a Biwa Autua and Kaumbe say for the past 1 month, 2 weeks, ye nyansu and Gofone Koti light to Abamamono. Sound Gofona ne kum. Omukunwe and my village back one here young boy be okitansuo or vortic robum na ensuo na ekitana no asie you fi broni bi tikam broniu or tikam and a otwam and a ohuru se akwara ne kitansuo no kogye and okacha akwara nsem manenum oto nani no na woman bi akwara hye na chi na okita pine ensuo kakra bi na wofom na osa community kesio omu ni nsuo omu no na broni ni ko ya na obisa ya na maame ne ka kire ne se omu ni nsuo we ya na omu sa ensuo na omu won eye pipe de ye ni sei ni bi no na omu be ye na sei na ebe pompi nsuo na ba no ate gas na semu no asa ye man panifo ne te broni firi ni kuro within be say 2 hours na broni na kope gas na ebetimi apompi nsuo no any chain ni bi aba na wakofa workers na oma betutu pipe no na oma ye within be seconds pumping say na nsuo na san ba but ye man panifo no any panifo na ya to aba mom no adwen bone any person min kunya wokoka ye se nka e wose ye be kire ye be ka mumekuye akoduru bra e wose menu mienu e sore ndene ukofie bia mu a pipe ne be se no obi fie no watwa e ba te se ti grampo ye fe o se bata so wokodwa na ye di sa suban we bu man ndene oba omo tonton ne ma na omo tonton ne ma na ya te eniema so dollar no eso ate but the waton oil na e was so no so ete so no e be pem ne onte so and why they say o man sempanifo ni nim kwan a wo mo fa so toto niema ema eniema ye yia enka o mo be huru se eniema na ye tete so no still enkofo bi so mo nte so ene ukwa akra single room 1 month and then 2000 single room and so ye wo rent control e wo my Ghana sa rent control omo dwuma ne sen omo na wase omo hwe ema asikafo ene wona woni sika ayafo ye nyina ya setrem ye den eye pe batene ohiani no okokoye adwuma ni makwa wakofa tomatoes wakofa no wo de ko marketa ye nto but bosomi be so no efie wura gina ne so oji 2000 oji 2005 okatre wo se wonya wura di se oba wura ntia tu efiri mu efisɛ Nigeria fo wo kurom ha a sɛ wo wan rente a ɔmbɛba bɛ rente ɛnɛ wo ka Ghana population yɛ kɔ 34 million saa 34 million Nigeria fo ewo mu ko a ɔmo yɛ 7 million ɔman bɛ ne yɛtim no enti yɛn timanfoɔ no yɛ ho tere yɛn ɛnneɛma nkɔ yie abrabɔ no asɛe yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ yɛwɔ leaders a afe so a wɔn bɛgyina hɔ adumfie nan a yɛkɔkɔto aba ɛde ma wɔn batamfasoɔ bi ama so ɛnɛ NDC foɔ bi a wɔn kɔ tena radio so ɛsa nsuo a na yɛ fi ɛde bɛsi radio station ne so ɛne TV station ne so no wɔn abu wɔn ani agu so asɛdeɛ ɛkɔ so no wɔn hu yɛ efisɛ the same nkurɔfoɔ no wɔn nkurɔfoɔ na etu galamsey ɔman mɛ ne eti mu na sɛ saa nneɛma wei ɛkɔ so ɔman no ɛbɛyɛ pɛn na yɛbɛfa yɛn ntoma pɛfra na migusu a meka yɛmɔ mpa yɛma mahama ohia mpaebɔ ɔno deɛ akoma a wɔse wɔde bu ɔman no ogusu a wɔbu mese nkurɔfoɔ bi sɛ ne nkurɔfoɔ num a wɔse saa nkurɔfoɔ no nyinaa ɔgye wɔn position no nyinaa firi wɔn nsɛm ayɛ saa 4 years ɔbɛkɔ soro aba fam mese ɔntumi nyɛ biribi.
The youth in this party mama ho kwan ɛma obi mfama adwene ni agorɔ mama ho kwan ma ɛnɛ ɛna obi no prove sɛ ɔdɔwa ama. You've lived in the party with that person for years. Onya na dwe sɛ ɔpɛ biribi no na wɔne wasetena te sɛe na ɔhwehwɛ na wohu no na wɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ no hɔ a wonya akwanya. These are some of the questions you be asking yourself. Na ɛne na prɛko pɛ anipa ne saint yɛde toto mu mmrade no ɛnte saa ɛna na gyina meyɛ compilation bi. And I was able to identify any probably 20 omi former appointees omi di honorable Kennedy Japan. But early in the days no na ya kwen say appointees in former appointees near Dr. Baumiechi edu ukwoto aba ma na wo to a wo se edidi agya no wo sa akwoto aba ma na sa nkofo na na esa bedidi ene e kwombe so adewa, which is not true. Which is not true. Honorable Peter Mewu no anya minister. Anya no honorable Kenya Japan nam. Honorable Kenya Japan nan kasa no former some Ghana Gas board chairman. Abena Osasare. No anya deputy finance minister. No honorable Kenya Japan nam.
Onenenam.
Alfred Obey. Former baby any so na baby any MP. No anya boss. Boost. No, no, boss, is you. As an Obako MP. Abuajijedu. He was a deputy minister of health. And a little called Vaku. I have a list. Ozu Bemba. So I'm a communication director of Ghana Gas. On your appointee. Honorable Kukwati. No, your deputy finance minister. Charles Bisu. It's a ministerial committee. Tell what that's so.
No, that's so.
Pagre Boachedan, not a government spokesperson. And so I have a lot of lists. The deputy finance minister, Dr. Alex Ampabe. So no one can Japan nam. Okay. Kwekwa Sifi. Ono so no one can Japan nam. Mbwa. You were Professor Sulemana and Amzoya, no CEO, Northern Development Authority. Koja Sumeni. Ono de mia Mr. Penny. Mia Penny no. Okay. No a deputy CEO. Oh, Maritime Authority. And you are honorable Kenya Japan. And where from that argument is say appointees no mudi jamono. Woman Dr. Baumiana Muntino, Okotoba Manoa. Woman be the millionaires also as an national youth authority. I had the research coordinator as an officer, honorable Brian Champo. I was saying to mine. Tourism Authority. NDC on the year in charge of media and publicity of all that sort. And the man honorable Brian Champon.
Yeah, that's true.
Pius Hanam Ajide. None NDC or National Youth Authority.
Deputy Minister Krapen.
Well, Deputy Minister so paying. He is a campaign spokesperson. Emma Dr. Brian Champon. Nana J. Bewu as a BAFO, Student Loan Trust Fund, CEO as a director. And you're Dr. Bichunanam. On your former appointee. anya former appointee
former appointee is a chape ebi wo baby
enti no
doctor na mu
me say city boys enyum na se dey ende no o se ebi wo fie
asa obi anya bi
wo bi enti and many people ba ko bi meka nche wo say so obi adi dey ja wo mpo a obo mu didi ja so me say na so benti na namuti ngoto ba ma no enye no crack. It is never true. The quantities of ideas then I will be better our fortunes, our chances of winning election 2028.
Now bet to me I
but some trunk kitten in and ne sa and some na ending in us one. Oh your delegate now obi bow so by a campaign now on over no better winning. Now the on over ye I'm here they win election. Any crowd buffers of the Ghana say or mine or spend the 20% of the time ever home. Now say new power no muko sakino or spend the 80 to 70% of the time over here. Say any panel, he is not worth your vote. Say any panel, he is not worth your vote. So no anti-mammet say they improve your life. And they improve the unity and the chances of MPP winning power, and how he's going to run Ghana, govern Ghana to our satisfaction. Nessa by say, or Babu be kwadu, and a went in the arena, and a win a year say, and a win be, and one mao, and a obesha or before, or incite against Obia. That person is not worth your vote.
Where do you bonny?
Because I'm nipa numuna wo mu yami ato so aba no obia di mfie nwotwe so mfa so esene wo a wo police station executive no enti mo mencha wo say when ya business me enti nkoto ba